TDO Cloud Reports were designed as an easy place to access reports that are formatted in Excel format. New cloud reports are deployed regularly, and you do not have to update your TDO to have access to these new reports. So let's go ahead and open these up. You go to Reporting Tools, Open Cloud Reports. Now, if you happen to be at a machine that doesn't have TDO installed, you can still access these reports through your TDO website in the admin login. So this is our list of reports. And as you look at these names, you can see that some of these look very similar to reports that you have in TDO, and some are going to be completely new reports that aren't available directly in the TDO application. So for example, aging analysis. This is a report available in TDO, but some of you would prefer to have this in Excel format so you can do more manipulation and graphing with the data. So this report shows everybody who has a balance, and it will show how old the balance is, if they have any open teeth, any outstanding insurance. A lot of really good information is shown here. Go ahead and close that. Another report I'd like to show you is insurance claims broken down by location and doctor. So this report, I actually have to put in a date range. So I'm just going to pick this year so far. You can pick a date or actually type in the numbers, either is fine. I'm going to open up the report. Again, it opens up in Excel. And this report, I don't have very much data, but it would actually have a different tab for you for each location and doctor that had insurance claims. So that's an interesting report that you can use. Let's see, outstanding claims by insurance carrier. Now this one I want to show you just because it has multiple tabs at the bottom. So when you're looking at cloud reports, be aware there might be tabs at the bottom with different information on it. So this particular one is giving a tab for each insurance company that has outstanding claims. You might also see some reports where the tabs at the bottom break down by location or by doctor. I'm just going to show you one more report that's kind of interesting. I think you'll enjoy. Refer annual revenue report by date range. So I'm going to go ahead and put in this year to date. Generate the report. Again, I click on the report that shows here at the bottom to open it up. So this one, I only have one referring doctor in my data, but if you would have a list here of multiple doctors. And for each doctor, it's interesting. It's going to show you your total revenue for each year for the last 4 years, as well as by month for the current year. Okay, so there's a lot of really good information here. And again, being in Excel, you can put these into pivot tables, or you can do a lot of analysis with this data. Now you can simply close the report, or you can save it with a file name if you wish to keep these saved in a specific location.